Hey plugins, welcome back to the channel, it's Shin here. Are you ready to discover a free synth that feels like it comes from another dimension? This tool is not just a simple synthesizer, it's a true sound lab that allows you to transform any sample in an incredible way. Imagine dragging an audio sample like this into the synth, and this in instant your sound is resynthesizer into spectral layers, different spectral layers. Here you can manipulate this in different way with advanced control. You can shape your audio to make it more like a saw wave, or give it a warmer brass-like tone. This flexibility offers endless creative possibilities. Let's hear how it sounds. I stop the background music and I press just one note. You can add effects. Sound wet control. Reverse. Here we have a lot of preset. Wow. Guys, if you are a sound designer, a producer, or simply synthesize enthusiast like me, you can't miss out on this jam. Download it, experiment, and let yourself be amazed by its endless possibilities. This synth is not just a tool, it's a journey into the future of the sound design. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Peace.